way to Bay Area Throttle Fest. We're at the first stop. We used the whole gas tank. Had to stop, get some snacks, you know, get some hydration in us. It's hot out there. Stay hydrated. Got the kiwis, dried kiwis. Good for you on the road. So yeah, probably got about another, I think, an hour and 56 minutes. Then we should be at the hotel for the night. Then we'll be at Bay Area Throttle Fest tomorrow. So yeah, just a little update for you guys. See you down the road. Bikes are here, loaded. Courtney's ready. I'm ready. Bay Area Throttle Fest 2026. We're about to roll in, get everything set up, put all the bikes up, and then start our day. Go have a good time, go see some good bikes, probably go eat some good food, and then have a good time, enjoy everybody's company, and just enjoy the moment, right?
We'll see you there. just put it somewhere else.
Guys, how we doing today? Saturday, Bay Area Throttle Fest 2026. We're here. We got the booth all set up. We got the bikes out there for you guys to look at. We just dropped these new shirts for you guys. Check them out at the back. Boom. We got that one and another new one we just dropped. So yeah, make sure you guys stop by the booth. Come talk to us, come hang out. I'm a little hungry already. I'm trying to hit all these food courts over here, see what they got for us. We'll definitely let you know what's the best eats here and what else we got going on for you guys. All right, see you later.
Yeah, I just sent, I'm gonna send that picture later.
Can I get 6 tacos pastor? And that's it.
Oh, can you hear me?
Courtney?
I got card too.
Oh, thank you.
Enjoy, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, those look soft. Oh, I got it lined at the perfect time.
Alright, so here you go. Here's the tacos. This is from Wonk's Taco, Pastor, green sauce, Let's give it a little taste test, see what they're talking about, right? Good flavor. The meat's good. Salsa's real nice. Little green sauce. Alright, y'all. So that's it. Bay Area Throttle Fest 2026 in the bag. Was a good day. We made some money. Definitely made some good connections. Got to talk to some people. Try to lock in some other shows for this next year coming up, and then the rest of this year. Overall, it was a really great turnout. There's a lot of people there, and it just was a really good time. There was good food. The tacos were good, and just good times. Like I said, all together, we had a really good time.
It was a really good turnout. We'll definitely be there again next year, and if you missed it this year, I would highly recommend you check it out next year.
And we'll see you guys next year, because we'll definitely be back, hopefully with more bikes. You know, we got the 2 right here, but looking at a FXR and maybe something else. So we'll see you guys next year.
See you later.
Cheese and cured meats appetizer.
We're eating at Locanda Ischia, Italian restaurant. Really nice in here.
Italian is one of my favorite foods. If you guys didn't know that, you do now. Look at that. I'm excited for that. And I got lobster ravioli. Lobster ravioli with some big shrimps on it. We destroyed the meat plate.
Oh yeah, that was really good.
The meat plate was probably a good, I give it a solid 6. I would have liked some more meats and some more cheeses. They hit us with a bunch of nuts and olives. But
Bread basket.
I haven't had bologna in forever. This is like a high class bologna.
Seafood risotto. I'm gonna go ahead and try that.